This week, we talk about an often overlooked Filipino snack which is yummy and versatile. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to Lockdown Munchies. If it's your first time here, my name is Migs Torres and we continue to celebrate food and food culture even if it's a quarantine by giving you suggestions on the tasty treats you can definitely either cook or get your hands on. I'm not sure about you, but Filipinos love snacking. It's like we pre and post game every meal with munchies in between. Heck, we even use snacks to complement our meals. Chicharon? Yeah, we crush that bad boy up and then just sprinkle it over to palabok or to lugaw or even to bok choy, or even use it as a viand on its own. Hard-boiled eggs? Same. The humble lumpia. Done fresh or deep fried, nothing complements crispy fried chicken better than lumpia. Come to think about it, everything tastes better when you have lumpia on the table. You know what? We even turned lumpia into a sweet treat. Yeah, you got that right. It's called turon. Spring rolls with fruit inside, usually banana, maybe some jackfruit too. Then you wrap it up, dust it with sugar, and then deep fry it into a crispy treat made from heaven. These yummy snacks can be found on the streets of Metro Manila, usually around the afternoon, served as merienda or snack. But it's also versatile because you can switch it up and turn it into a nice dessert. Now, I saw different kinds of turon from our food delivery service here in Metro Manila, and I decided to book a few items to see if their turon was worth a bite. TITA'S Turon. They have different branches around the metro like San Juan, Pasig, Makati, you know, if you live near those areas. If not, well, at least you have an idea of where to get turon if you ever visit here, of course. Okay, so the menu is pretty straightforward. You get turon with different kinds of filling. You got your usual banana turon, then your more adventurous fare like buko or young coconut, halo-halo, which I would believe would contain some ube, jackfruit, maybe a few sweet beans, and their special a turon variation of the Elvis that has peanut butter, jelly, and some bacon as well. They also have dips to make your snack even sweeter. So, okay, I got my order. Let's see what TITA'S Turon has to offer my taste buds. Okay, so here is TITA'S Turon. Different turon that I ordered. Okay, so I expected it to look a lot more like the turon that I'm used to seeing. You know, try to provide a picture for you guys. But the appearance of this turon is definitely like lumpia. They provide plastic gloves. Let's wear it. Ooh. Nice sturdy plastic gloves so that your hands won't get messy, because you know what? Turon will soak up a lot of oil. So it's good that, you know, if you don't want to get your hands slick and greasy, these will really help. I also thought that they would be packaging the turon separately and they would label it, because I ordered different flavors. So they all look alike. So I'm just going to, you know, do this on the fly, break it apart and see what flavor we have. So let's see. There you go. Ooh, what's this? I think this is the classic turon right here. There. Let's taste it. Okay, that's nice and sweet. You can definitely taste the bananas and also the langka or the jackfruit inside. Oh, that's good. This is good. Nice sweet snack. Okay, next we have this. Okay, looks like it's something like, okay. It's peach mango. Nice tart peach, and I think the filling's much like marmalade, but definitely still has the flavor, the peach and mango flavor. Those are nice canned peaches right there. So I guess it's mango marmalade or mango jam or mango sauce with canned peaches, and it's really good. Let's see this is any different. I think this is peach mango as well. Okay, maybe not that. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, okay. Got some chocolate sauce in it. It's got some fruity filling inside too. I'm just not sure what it is. I think it's banana with chocolate sauce. Yeah. I think it is. I think it was banana Nutella. Oh, too sweet. We gotta drink some water. It is the middle of the day here in the Philippines, so it's really hot. You know, I've been gorging on this turon as a snack for quite a while now, but remember I told you guys that it's versatile? Wait for me, I got an idea. So a lot of restaurants offer turon a la mode, but I don't have any ice cream. What I do have though is frozen yogurt. This will make it a little bit more adventurous. The creamy, tangy flavor of the yogurt mixed with the fruitiness of the turon. I'm excited to try this one. Let's open it first. You know, I put this in the freezer for about just 3 to 4 hours. Anything over that would make it into a tough ball of ice. Actually, it's still a bit icy. Make it just about a couple of hours though. Let's taste it first. Okay. So you get the turon right here. You dunk it right there inside the frozen yogurt, like a la mode. I can't believe I never tried this stuff before. So good, like a perfect bond of cream and fruit, and should never divorce. I don't know if that made sense, but you know what I mean, right? Okay, overall, I think that this is a good treat for you guys if you're craving for some turon, especially on a lockdown, especially in a quarantine, just like what we're having here in Manila right now. It's got a nice qualities of turon that you want, a nice crispy shell, and a good combination of filling as well. I really enjoy the peach mango flavor. The classic turon, the banana, is really good. I actually ordered their specialty, which is the Elvis. Unfortunately, it was out of stock, which is really understandable since it's really hard to procure ingredients in a quarantine like what we have right now. Overall, I think you should try it. I think you should get turon. If you're Filipino, you already know what I'm talking about, but you should still try this. It may be different from the turon that you're used to seeing and eating, but I still think it's worth a bite. If you want to order Tita's Turon, I suggest you guys order through Grab Food or Food Panda or one of the food delivery services that we have here in Metro Manila. If you're from a different country and you're just getting yourself acquainted with the Metro, Grab Food, Food Panda, Lala Food, it's like your Uber Eats. Just type Tita's Turon. That's TITA'S-TURON. What's your favorite snack? Tell us over in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any updates. We got more goodies coming to you next week. And remember, you can do so much even with just a little imagination. Eat well, and I'll see you soon.